Fear raises your cortisol levels more than anything else, my friend. And there's a lot of fear in the streets. You know, this thing we don't have a lot of information on, it's scaring a lot of people. So let's talk about some ways to increase your immune system and to help you ward off anything that can come in your life, potentially. Now, that doesn't mean to start stocking up on a bunch of nasty chemicals from the pharmacy or drinking gallons of sugary orange juice. All that stuff can do more harm than good, and you've probably seen my videos in the past talking about it. So, like always, Mother Nature has our back the whole entire time. And I'm about to show you how you can double down on your defenses naturally so you not only survive, but thrive from morning to night, my friend. When your body is stressed, it releases this hormone called cortisol, which can alter or shut down some of your body's natural functions, including your immune system. So if you're dealing with a lot of stress, and who isn't, you're extremely vulnerable to infection. How do we help your body help itself? Superfoods to the rescue, my friend, and specifically a unique group of superfoods called adaptogens, which help regulate our immune systems, help control hormones like cortisol, and give us the edge in fighting occasional inflammation. Let's start with my first love, ashwagandha. This adaptogen balances hormones, supports healthy weight, boosts energy, and delivers amazing immune support. Second on the list is moringa. Moringa contains all essential amino acids, which is essential for strong working immune system. Next up is turmeric. This ancient medicinal root has been used for 4,000 years to fight inflammation. It's antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. And the blend in Organifi green juice actually contains a dose 4 times more powerful than regular turmeric root powder. So that takes care of the daytime defense. But what about rebuilding your body in sleep? Here are the nighttime superfoods that you need. Number 1, reishi can support sleep cycles, and of course it's immune boosting, plus it decreases stress, plus it balances out those cortisol levels. Next up is turkey tail, one of the most beautiful mushrooms on the planet. Look at this, Mother Nature, you are so amazing. Y'all want to gobble this mushroom up right now. It is loaded with antioxidants. And last and far but not least is the acacia fiber. It works like a prebiotic in the body, meaning it promotes that good microbiota, that good bacteria that helps your immune system. 80% of your immune system is in your gut. So we need to make sure that we're feeding your gut things that it can not only survive, but thrive in. How cool is that? Every single one of these miraculous ingredients is actually in Organifi Gold Tea. It's rich. It's warm, there's this cinnamon flavor, there's the ginger, and it's just so great. It helps your body rest, and it helps restore your immune system. Find out how to get Organifi Green and Gold risk-free right now, but hurry up, supplies are going fast. Click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you stay healthy. I'm Drew Canoli. As always, remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.